Guess who?
And now, students, we will stop a woodpecker. So. The time has come, woodpecker.
What? No last meal?
Hey, they come for Woody. The dirty rats. So long, Woody.
Chin up, boy!
Goodbye, Woody.
He's a-gone across the great divide.
We will show how the woodpecker should be mounted.
All righty. No last meal. Huh.
Ah, get that woodpecker! Strong Nose, come here. Give a sniff, Strong Nose. Go get him!
Whoa! He's up there.
Achoo! Achoo!
Don't just stand there. Find that crazy woodpecker. Don't worry, pal. I'll help you find him. There, in that ash can.
Meow!
There he goes, in there. There he goes. There he goes, over the mountain. There he goes, down the road.
You did not catch the woodpecker, so we stuff you instead?
Why, that big so-and-so? What do you mean he didn't catch me? Good dog.
Hey, they got Woody back. Yeah, I'll stuff him later.
Hey, Strong Nose, I saved your life, now you save mine. And now, students, I'll show you how a woodpecker really should be stuffed.